Go on from the previous lesson or open the file UVW07.max. In this lesson we're going to take our character that has all of his UVs laid out and ready to be painted and set up a map that we can use in Photoshop to paint on. So select the Unwrap UVW modifier and go to the Parameters rollout and just click on Edit. This will bring up our character all unwrapped in the UVW window, and from here you can go to Tools and choose a new option, which is Render UVW Template. This Render UVs dialog comes up where you can set your aspect ratio as well as have it guess the aspect ratio. So I'll just set this to 500 by 510, choose Force Two-Sided, and some different fill options. Let's not change anything and just click on Render UV Template. Quick render happens, and you see you get this render window that you can save right out into wherever you'd like to and in any format that you like to bring it into Photoshop. You can take a look at the different alphas, colors, all in the virtual frame buffer that you're used to. You can also choose some different options as far as filling and overlaps. So we can choose a solid mode, which I happen to like, and choose Render Template, which fills everything with gray, that's solid, and gives you a red poly for anything that is overlapping, so you know some overlapping areas. This is also helpful just for previewing and seeing what you need to do to fix some overlapping areas, maybe relax some more or remove some more distortion. There are also other modes here, such as a normal mode, which will show you the basic normals of the character, and it gives you a good idea of the actual shading, as well as an actual shaded mode that shows the shaded version of your character. So this is really helpful. You can just save this right out, bring it into Photoshop or whatever paint application you're using, paint on the UVWs, and bring it in as diffuse, specular map, distortion maps, whatever it is that you need.